Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the general reading, and I have a pick a card love reading after this general energy. So if you are interested to watch that, guys, you can stay tuned for that, Scorpios. So we have Justice in reverse, 5 of cups, and 2 of wands. So Scorpios, in your situation today, guys, you have achieved few goals or dreams, aspirations you have. It may be in your career. So you are celebrating some things. Maybe you have reached a place where you have completed certain projects or assignments, happy for how things went, and you are waiting to take that next step forward towards the next goal or next aspiration, whatever you have. Maybe you are thinking about what needs to be done in your career, or it may be something to do in your personal life, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have great aspirations for yourself and you're trying really hard, implementing all your skills and talents today. Maybe for some of you, you may be reaching your limits in your efforts or in your concentration. So you are trying really hard, working really hard to achieve those dreams for yourself, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are few things right in front of you, few offers. It may be in work or it may be in your personal life. Few people are interested in you, or there is a person interested in you, but you are not seeing them. You have too high aspirations or goals or expectations, so you are not aware of this love that is right there, right in front of you, guys. So too high expectations may be the reason for trouble. So you may not see this person this way. So you may feel that this person may not match up to the standards that you have, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. So for your relationship, here and now, such an apt card, guys. So this card just means that we have to be aware of our present situation. So right now there is a person interested in you, coming towards you with true love. Maybe it is time you accept this offer, guys. Maybe. Or for some of you, you have accepted that love that is right there in front of you. So you need to live in the present, be aware of your situation today, guys, Scorpios. So for your career, we have exchanging gifts. So it just means that whatever you put in, that is what you get. Whatever you sow is what you reap. So the efforts, your concentration, your skills and talents, whatever you use to work or maybe implement in your work situation, so the results will be that much greater. So if you do that 100% effort, you are going to get that 100% result, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. If you are interested to watch the pick a card love reading, that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpio. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whatever your situation is, you can think about it in your mind Meditate for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So what do we have here? Petalite. So this is the oracle card for you all, for your situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life, in this relationship. So this card just means that you have to be a witness today. Observe your situation from a distance. Maybe when we are too close to our situation, we are emotional and we may not see, we may not be able to analyze the details and motives for that, what is making that other person behave in such a way and what is triggering them today. And we may not have that clarity because we are too close to that person or too close to our situation. So we need to step back if you want a clear vision, that clarity in your circumstance. If you are a witness, if you become a witness today, you will simply see things more clearly and you will know what is the right action today in your life or in this connection. So what has to be done, you will know, and you will be able to fix things, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this card invites us to give space, make space for ourselves, so we'll be able to listen to the right things and we'll be able to fix our circumstance. So let it be something in our career or something in our personal life. So we have to step out of that emotional behavior that we have that detachment in our heart and see our situation from a different perspective. So that way we will get that clarity, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, so let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this card, it is Snow White, purity. So that is what this card is about, guys. It stands for purity, triumph of that pure heart today. And whatever challenges or whatever difficult circumstances you are facing, you will not change. You stand by your ideals, with that truth that you have in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loving person, caring. You are devoted to the people you have in your life. It may be friends or this person you love. You are kind, and your innocence, your uncorrupted heart will shine through difficult times you are facing in your life, guys. So even when people around you are trying to harm you in some ways, you you bounce back much more stronger, much more mature, and much more ripened with that light of experience. And you have people with evil intentions towards you, around you, but it has not made the way into your heart. So you do not reciprocate their jealousy, envy, or their bad intentions. So you have that goodness in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loyal person, pure heart, guys. So in your life, you may be in some difficult situation right now, but you are going to come out of it shining bright, showing people around you what you are made of, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, this stands for purity and triumph of the pure heart. So you are a person with pure intentions, and there is never going to be a failure in your life, because you are a person who is really truthful to what you have in your heart, and you stand by your values and ideals. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.